everyone, welcome back to the McCall's baking channel. Today we will be showing you how to make 3 different adorable marzipan figures. They are great for cakes, dessert platters, and even as a centerpiece. Let's get started. Begin with McCall's Marzicover marzipan or regular McCall's marzipan. Knead the marzicover, making it smooth and soft. Slice off a small piece of marzipan and roll it into a ball between your hands. Use your hands to taper both ends of the ball. Use a small paring knife to slice the bottom and top half of the marzipan. Use your fingers to gently bend the top and bottom legs forward, softening the sliced edges as you shape the marzipan. Roll a smaller ball of marzipan into a circle. Roll the bottom of the ball between your palms to form a cone shape, then use your index finger to make an indentation in the center. Use a small paring knife to slice the tapered end of the cone, forming 2 ears. Use fondant tools to help shape and indent the ears and the face of the bunny. Different fondant tools will help make different parts of the face, so look at the shape of each tool and think about how you can use it. Roll small balls of white fondant to use as the eyes of the bunny. Use black fondant to add details to the eyes and nose of the bunny. Attach the head to the bunny body. How cute is this perfect marzipan bunny? To make a marzipan elephant, start by making the body the same way you made the body of the bunny, rolling a large, long log and then cutting the arms and legs. Bend the arms and legs forward so it will look like the elephant is sitting down. Roll a ball of marzipan into a circle and then form it into a cone shape. Pull the cone shape to elongate it, making the trunk of the elephant. Make small indentations down the trunk of the elephant, making it more realistic and lifelike. Attach the elephant head to the body. Use black fondant to make the elephant ears. A fondant ball tool works great to make the ears thin and rounded. Attach the ears and then add white fondant balls as the eyes of the elephant. Your little elephant is complete! To make a marzipan bear, roll your marzipan into a cone shape. This will be the body of the bear. Roll 2 smaller cones for legs and then attach them to the bottom of the large cone. Use a fondant tool to gently make indentations on the bear's feet. Roll 2 smaller cones to use as the bear's arms. Attach the arms near the top of the large marzipan cone. Indent the bear's hands as well. Roll a marzipan head, making it slightly tapered to the bear's body. Roll a black fondant nose and eyes. Use 2 small pieces of marzipan to make the bear's ears. These adorable marzipan figures are so simple to make and work great as cake decorations or centerpieces. They also taste fantastic. If you love this video about making marzipan figures, be sure to follow our YouTube channel. We post new how-to videos all the time. Find our Instagram and Facebook pages as well for day-to-day baking content. Check out McCalls.ca for all your baking needs and tag us at #LoveMcCalls when you make any incredible desserts using our products. We'd love to see some of the marzipan figures you make. We'll see you next time!